Hey guys, welcome to Pizza Reviews. Today we got, after a really long wait, we managed to get the Redmi Note 9S. This is the 4 gigabyte, 64 gig ROM version, the Glacier White. Let's have a look inside the box. Yeah, it took about 7 months for it to get here, actually almost 6 months, so yeah, that's pretty incredible that she actually made it here. Let's see what we got here. Foil out of the way. Let's see here. Come on, there you go. Okay, so we got the box here. Let's see, here's the phone. So first box here, it looks like we have a so we got the SIM eject tool, and it comes with a case, and I believe it's a clear case as well. Got some manuals here. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's a clear see-through case. Nice. Last time you included a black one, so that's kind of nice to see. Look at the actual phone here. Okay, so look at that in a second here. We got the European style charger. Come on, head over there. So European style charger, and this guy, look here, it is, looks like looks like it's a quick charger. It's a 20-watt charger. It's kind of nice to see. It came with a 20-watt charger from the factory, and it comes with a USB-C cable. I believe, let's see what's in these little boxes here. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. It doesn't look like there's anything in there. Let's have a look at the phone here. So this is the Glacier White version. It's a pretty nice looking, sharp looking phone. This is the Snapdragon 720 48 megapixel camera, 6.67 inch FHD display, and the 52 or 5020 milliamp hour battery, 18-watt fast charge. So it's kind of nice to see. Let's get this guy out of the box here, or out of the wrapper here. Oh, nice. So we got the phone itself. That's really sharp looking. So in the bottom we got the headphone jack, USB-C, the microphone, and a speaker. On the right side of the screen of the phone we have a power button. There's also a volume rocker, and I believe the power button is also a fingerprint sensor. On the top we have the infrared and another mic. On the side we got the SIM. And on the back we've got the quad camera setup with the flash in the center. That's it. It's pretty nice looking, pretty sharp looking device. Anyway, we'll do some more videos with it in a bit here. Well, if you guys like the video, please hit the like, subscribe. Thanks a bunch.